Welcome to another video. We're still working on this Cadillac and now it's time to do the tune-up on it. So it's going to be a quick video on how to do the tune-up and the valve covers. We're also going to do that with the wires. So stay tuned and we're going to show you how to do that. Alright, so first we start with this cover here. It's just plastic. And you gotta angle this. I don't know, sometimes it doesn't want to come out if you just try to pull it out. You gotta like angle it, kind of like this, and then it just pulls off. It just has plastic tabs. That's good. So that's the first piece. The next piece is this intake hose. This bad boy out of the way. This one comes out just like that. This is the first step. And then you do have holes here and then here, just like that. Same thing. That's a giant thing going that way. That's all. And now when you put this back on, don't forget to plug this because it happens all the time. I've seen it with customers do their own tune-ups and then they have an air leak. As you can see, these valve covers are leaking here. Not completely, but they will be. So we're gonna go ahead and change those out too. Spider webs, bro. Why are they still in here? It flies like a balloon. I'm gonna start with, I guess, the hardest part. So first, what you want to do is just kind of get everything out of the way. First, I guess, get the wires out of the way. And gotta disconnect all the little harnesses, like so. It has these little tabs too. You just lift them up, get them out of the way. Now we take off the coils. Coils. This shit right here is $50, man. If you don't have this thing is like a lifesaver, bro. This thing is worth every 50. Look how beautiful this thing works. See, it has an angle. See, is there another one? Nope, that is it. Move this bad boy out of the way. It's just pretty much the harness for the coils. Covers right there. I'm also gonna put an insulant here because this thing, I don't want these cables to burn up. You don't have to have this, but as you can see, it makes it very easy. If you want it easy, $300. Or you can always do it by hand and they just pop off like that. So in there, release this one, take it on there, push it through, and boom, we got the first cover off. We are gonna send this out and get this 24 karat gold. No, right. So this is the valve cover, and this is the gasket. And it feels like kind of crunchy. Doesn't really have that rubber band feel. This is how you know the valve cover gasket is bad, because it's like slowly, it's like a mist of oil or something, and then eventually it'll turn into a leak. This side, the same thing. Take out the wires. I forgot to mention this is a 6.2, but everything's the same on 6.2, 5.7, 4.8. All those things are the same process. Coils, the connections. Take off a little. There you go. Put that one right here. There's that one right there. I have a feeling that you could take off all this together. We're gonna try that. Oh, you can tell in the comments. You know you could have taken that together, right? I was trying to be detailed.
Right, just in case.
Just in case. So. Wow. Okay, so everything does come out together. I forgot about that. But like, I mean, would you rather do it like this, or like this? Fuck, I should have done it like this. Okay, there's a little holes back here. Lift that up. It has a little tab here. It's got this little tab here. You just put it to the side and lift up. And now we switch to the 8s. Oh my god, this is extremely hot. That's the second one. Bam. See how this cover was already coming out and shit. Did you guys hear that shit? It's so crunchy, bro. Swipe away from it. Right down, like that. Look at that bad boy. Just like that. This is probably gonna smell bad, bro.
It's all good.
So, see that shit? It's only doing that because it's stupid hot. Wipes off. Just like that. Make sure that shit's still on the back. Look at that contrast, bro. That's what we want, and we're gonna put new of these. So we're also gonna change the spark plugs on this bad boy. I suspect that they haven't been replaced. Huh. Actually, not that bad. I'm gonna put it from the big bottle. You're right there. Yo. Gotta be careful with this one, cause gotta make sure I introduce them. Boom. Gotta hear that click or feel the click. There it is. There you go. Easy peasy. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make it look like a 5-minute video, but that's not the case. There's not a lot of tools you need, like an 8, a 10, there's like a 5/8 for the socket for the spark plugs, and I think that's all I used. It's just time consuming, and you gotta make sure the gaskets sit well, put everything back in place. So we could go ahead and do that for you guys if you guys want. If you're in the Los Angeles area, stop by and set an appointment. Or you get this custom valve covers if you want to. That was just a little extra, but that's how you do that. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.